Hi everyone, welcome to Study Windows. And today we are going to learn Part 1, Introduction of Preposition. And in this small session we are going to learn what is preposition, its basic understanding, what the things come in our mind when we heard the term preposition, and explanation with lots of examples. Take some books. Take an apple. And you like apple, right? And look at this image now. So what can we say about this image? So we can say an apple is kept on the book. So this sentence is very much clear that there is an apple and it is kept on the book. If I ask you where is the apple kept, then it is obviously on the book. This word on, if we remove from the sentence, then the sentence will be divided into two parts and there is no relation between this. So on is making a relationship, making a connecting bridge between these two parts. So an apple is kept and the book. But if on is there, then this sentence is meaningful. So this on is nothing but a linking or connecting word. And this linking or connecting word is known as preposition. Look at another example. I am in a car. Now if you observe, the word in is connecting between these two parts of the sentence, I am and a car. If in is not there, then the sentence is not meaningful. If somebody asks me where you are, so with this sentence I cannot answer. But if we put this in between these two parts, then I can say I am in a car. So in is the connecting word between these two parts of the sentence. Hence, in is a preposition. Look at the school bus. I always go to school by bus. Here, to and by both are connecting words. Let's try to understand. If somebody asks, how do you go to school? Then I will have to reply, by bus. If by is not there, then the sentence is incomplete and I cannot give the answer of the question. So, without this preposition by, I cannot answer. And if we put the by in place, then I can answer. In the same way, if somebody asks me, where do you go? Here simply, to school. If to is not there, this sentence is incomplete. So to is making a relationship between I always go and school. So to is the connecting word and it is preposition. Look at this image. Here they are giving the examination. If somebody asks when your exam will start, you have to reply, my exam will start at 10 a.m. Here the question is based on when. It is time and the answer is at 10 a.m. If at is not there, then there is no relationship between exam start and the time. So at is creating a relationship between these two and it is a preposition. This is my village. It's totally green. If somebody asks, where is the school here? And I replied, the school is in my village. Here, if you observe, this word in is creating a relationship between the school is and my village. In is the connecting word. So in is a preposition. I live at 22 Saktiya Road. So here, if I remove at from the sentence, then do you understand? where I live? You cannot, and there will not be any relationship between I live and the place I mentioned. So at is a word which is creating a relationship between these two parts of the sentence. So this at is a preposition. Hence preposition connects one part of sentence with another part of sentence. So it's basically a connecting words. Now we'll take some examples. An apple is kept on the table. I am in a bus. I am at Saktia. They are going to school. So this all left side parts is connected with the right side parts. And this left side part is noun or pronoun, and the right side part is noun or pronoun or adjective or verb. So this on, in, at, to, these all are connecting words, and these are known as preposition. Preposition consists of two words. One is pre and another one is position. Pre means prior or before, and position means place. For the basic understanding, preposition is a word which is placed before noun or pronoun. But we will try to understand the detailed meaning of preposition. So what is preposition? Preposition is a word or words which is used to connect nouns or pronouns and other words in a sentence. Many times, preposition consists more than one word. So this on, in, at, to, these all are preposition. Now, do you think these are only preposition? No, not really. So there are thousands of preposition. But for example, we are going to give some preposition for better understanding, like at, on, in, by, to, up, with, for, over, under, of, through, about, and many more. And we will discuss all the main preposition in our upcoming session. Now if I ask you, I am staying in a hotel or at the hotel. I wake up in the morning or on the morning. I have a party at 7 p.m. or on 7 p.m. He's staying at Lindsay Street or on Lindsay Street. So which one is correct? And how do we place this preposition correctly? It's totally confusing, isn't it? No, not really. It is so simple. It is totally based on some rules. If you know the rules, you will never make a mistake to place any preposition in your whole life. So, let's explore.